It's the main scene of this game. The user moves the square on the center with the keys on the computer to perform the activity they want to do. This is our day sorting game. The user sorts the given days in correct order. This is Turkish because we are Turkish, but it can be translated to other languages. In this activity, an audio file is played from the background and the user is asked to find and select an object of the shape and color specified in the audio file.
Kırmızı altıgen, kırmızı daire, mavi üçgen, mavi altıgen.
In this activity, the user is asked to read only the words in red and the user's audio data is captured and processed to see if it matches the text. This is our text recognition application, in which the user is asked to write the specified words on a piece of paper and upload it to the application, and the accuracy rate of the writing is measured. While the user is doing the activities, an eye tracking application is running in the background, which monitors the user's eye movements and measures the user's attention span.